Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Before I start the video, I do want to say please like, subscribe, and comment. And if you want to join the Patreon before I adjust everything, join at patreon.com/, but I'm not a trader. This is going to be a very important video. And I haven't really shared it. I haven't even shared with my Patreon in the chat yet. So this is going to be something that should more than likely help you guys out by a lot, right? This is something that should help you guys tremendously. Let me see if I can clear up QQQ. It's called Pith. Just because we have a nice. There you go. So the top chart is essentially QQQ divided by NVDA. And what I noticed is that whenever we have a close above the 4-day candles open on the bear side, you have a nice distinguishable top, right? And what do I mean by that, right? So you can tell right here, right? Let's see. There we go, right here. So every single time you have make this clear for you guys. So every single time we have a close above the previous open, like this candle right here, you have some sort of weakness on the QQQ, right? So this is one example, right? You closed above this open, boom. You traded sideways right here. Right? And then let's go right there. See? You see how on this candle right here in QQQ, right? Or actually, sorry. Yeah, right there. There you go. You see how here on this candle, right? You close above this open, right? And that's what started this sell-off right here. Same thing, right? Oop. Same thing right here. Same thing right. Not yet. What is it? Same thing right here, right? You closed above on the top here. You closed above this open, right? And then what happened down here? You had like a weak sell-off, right? You went from QQQ 379 all the way down to 356. And even right, let me see. Right here, this one, yeah, not right here. This one immediately gave that up. But let's see if we can find other examples, right? Of like right here, boom. See, closed above, and then what happened on QQQ down here, right? What happened on Q? Oops. So close above. What happened on QQ? You went straight down, right? Same thing right here, right there. Let's try it a little bit this way. Same thing on this candle, right? On this candle right here, right? You close above that open. And then what happened on QQQ? That led to this, that led to this drop right here, right? So this is where basically you close like right here, and then that led to this drop on the bottom chart, right? So it's kind of insane, the correlation here, or even right there. Look at that, see? Close above that open, boom, and then you had this drop here on QQQ. And again, this is because more than likely NVIDIA is holding up the market, and I wouldn't want to say holding up the market as opposed to, leading the way, right? Because we do know that for the most part, you have like, Google, Microsoft, sorry, Google, Microsoft, Apple, whatever, all the major players, they're holding up the market essentially, right? That's basically what's going on. So I would not be looking at completely shorting the market until you actually close above a 0.5875, or where's this open? 5869. Yeah, when you close above this, let me see. Open is 5869, 58. Let's see if I can get this a little bit cleaner. I need to get this clean, right? 5869, 58. Let's do 66 so we can monitor it. We'll put an alert on it, right? I wouldn't really be worried about the market tanking all that much until we actually close above this level of, let me see, the open here of 5869. Yeah. Let me see if I can move this a little bit more. 5869. A little bit more. 58. Perfect. There we go. So I wouldn't be really, too concerned about the market dropping all that hard, until we actually have a close above that 5869. And that's going to be my indicator, my market indicator of, essentially NVIDIA kind of giving up power and everything kind of falling off from there. But for now, everything still looks bullish. And I'm still looking at, this being a really good indicator of significantly having like a nice top on the market. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.